Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your oil on your 2004 CBR 600RR. And this 2004 CBR 600 is need to change oil. Okay, first step, for the tools first. For the tools, we need a brake cleaner, a funnel, and a ratchet, and oil pan. You also need a 12mm socket, and you also need a 65.67 filter adapter. Also a I use a Honda full synthetic 10W30. You can also different as long as 10W30. I also have a new filter, and also a new crush washer. All right, first step, start your motorcycle. And let it start for 5 minutes.
Five minutes later.
All right, after your bike, warm up, turn off the bike. And let's go down here. The bike's already warmed up and everything. The bike's still hot. And underneath, right here, this is your plug for your oil. Remove that with the 17mm. I'm gonna remove it right now. Make sure you have a rag handy. Clean it off. Also, if you can, just clean up your plug. And also, you can also remove this cap right here for your filler for your oil. Remove it. All right, make sure you remove this cap right here too, so the oil will flow faster. Trim this cap right here, so I'm sure so the oil will be ready for now, like that. And it's still dripping. So while we do that, we can also remove the filter. So the filter will be right here. You're using this adapter for the filter. It was still hot. Alright guys, also I'm gonna remove this reservoir for the coolant because it's out of the way. So remove it to have more room to work on. Move this thing out of the way. Perfect, so we have more room to work on. This is your filter right here. And let it drip for a bit because it will make a mess. So I got this handy just in case. It's a brake cleaner. This is a nice brake cleaner. I recommend this brake cleaner. Alright, and next we're gonna remove the oil filter. Dump it in there. There's oil inside. There you go. Still a lot of oil in there. Alright, just make sure this goes clean. Just wipe it off. Any dirt in there, debris, make sure it's clean. Okay, good. And next part, this is your new filter right here. Make sure you put some oil on the rubber seal. Just put some oil in it. And I just like to hand tight the filter. Just hand tight it. If you like the part number, here's the part part number of the filter. That is the part number I'm using. Just clean. Okay. Okay, just hand tight's good. And next we're gonna replace replace the crash washer and put in the plug. This is your plug right here. This is your new crash washer. There you go. Make sure the plug is clean with any debris. Swipe it off. Let's plug this in. Just snug it, but not too tight. And next, we're gonna spray with it with a brake cleaner. So make sure everything is clean because it's gonna smell like oil. So I have this brake cleaner right here. Just spray it with the pipe. I'm out of brake cleaner. Nope, over here. So swipe everything. Okay. Put back the. We're gonna put back the coolant reservoir. Put it back in place. It's pretty straightforward.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after putting everything back, it's time to fill up the oil. And takes oil in there. So this is the full synthetic oil.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fuck! Alright, and you put some oil in it. So the next part, this is your oil indicator. This is where you check your oil. So make sure it's right in like this the middle right here, and it'll be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna run the bike for like 5 minutes, and I'm gonna top up some more oil in it because it wanna suck more oil. Make sure put the cap back on the motorcycle, the oil cap. Okay, and we're gonna start the motorcycle. While we're done here, we're gonna check for leaks. See, it took all the oil, so we need to add more oil in it. I think it's like this is the last one they use. They use 3/4 of oil. And that's it. And that's how you change your oil on your 2004 CBR 600RR. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.